Hey, third grade, it's Miss Peterson. We're talking about perimeter today. We're just going to keep extending our knowledge on perimeter. Our purpose statement, if you read that to yourself, essentially we're changing two things today. First, I'm going to give you rectangles and squares that you're not given all the side lengths to. Up to this point, every time I give you a shape, it has all the sides listed and you add them up. Today, I'm only going to give you two side lengths. You have to figure out what the other two are. The second thing that's changing is you've always had the grid, so you can go back and count how long each side is. I'm going to take that grid away, and you're going to see how it can still work. So I'm going to look at number 1 first and start there. This one has the grid, but doesn't have the two side lengths. So I'm going to use a strategy you guys use all the time. I'm going to count the sides to figure out how long each side is, and I'm just going to do that pretty quick. So I found that the bottom side was 5 centimeters and the side, the other side, was 2 centimeters. That makes a ton of sense. If we think about properties of rectangles, one of the things we learned is that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So you'll see that the top and the bottom have the same side length and the side have the same side length. Those are properties of rectangles that don't change. So even without counting the side, I would just automatically know that the bottom side has to be 5 because the top side has to be 5. So I can use that when we take away the grid. To find the perimeter, I need to add up all the sides. 5 and 2 is 7. Another 5 and 2 is also 7. If I double 7 or do 7 plus 7, I get 14. The next example we're going to look at has it where the grid is taken away and you're missing two sides, but you just learned how to find the other side, so we'll do that part first. Number 4, the top side is worth 5 centimeters. The bottom side has to be worth 5 centimeters. Those are the rules of rectangles. This side is worth 4. The opposite side also has to be worth 4. I don't need that grid to count them because I can trust the properties of rectangles that I've already explored. I need to add up all the side lengths. 5 and 4 is 9. Another 5 and 4 is 9. 9 plus 9, or 9 doubled, gets me 18. My total is 18 centimeters. Try the rest on your own. Ask a partner for help if you're struggling, or come to me. We can fix it. We want to have this in place before we move to tomorrow's assignment. Good luck.